we are cooking vegetables in coconut milk. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. We have here cut vegetables. I have taken 2 vegetables, that's French beans and carrot. You can take veggies of your choice. 1 small finely chopped onion, a sprig of curry leaves. We have here around 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. We have dry red chilies. We have here turmeric powder, salt to taste, red chili powder, and we have here freshly grated coconut and little water, and for some oil for tempering. So let's start with the cooking now. So I'm putting this coconut in this grinder jar. We'll grind it to a fine paste along with the chilies and garlic. I'm adding all this here and we'll blend it to a fine paste. We are to extract coconut milk out of it. So you can see we have ground the coconut here, and now we'll extract milk from it. So now I'm pouring this mixture here in a sieve, and you can see the milk is being extracted. We'll just press it. You can see our milk is ready, coconut milk. See the consistency and see the color. Now here you can see this is the leftover coconut. We can use this in dals or any curries. It would taste awesome. The fragrance of this milk is just heavenly. Now we'll start cooking the veggies. So we've heated the pan now. I have kept the flame low, and I'll add a little homemade ghee. You can add coconut oil as well. Now we'll add the onion. Add a little salt just for cooking the onions so that the onions release the moisture, and we'll saute it now. The onions have gone translucent now. At this point of time, we'll start adding the veggies. Give it a good mix. Looks colorful, isn't it? We'll add a little salt now. Turmeric powder. Red chili powder. We'll mix it. I'll add a little water. Now we'll cover it for about a minute or two. Allow it to cook. We are not supposed to cook it completely because we have to cook it in the coconut milk. We'll cover it now and cook it for a minute or two. So now we'll check it after 2 minutes. They are cooked slightly. Give it a mix. And at this point of time, we'll add the coconut milk. Slowly add the coconut milk now. Mix it gently. It looks amazing. Now we can put the flame to medium and allow it to cook on a medium flame for some time. It's almost 2 minutes now. Just we'll check it. It's boiling. Just check once again. Now this time what we'll do is we'll add this way in between. Turn it again and cook it for another 5 minutes. So now let's check it again. Wow, aroma is just heavenly. The curry leaves aroma is just tempting now. We'll check this. You're almost done. Okay, check this. The gravy is also thickened and the veggies also are cooked now. You can eat this now with a dosa or just like that, or with rice, anything. I'll remove it in a serving bowl. So I've removed in the serving bowl now. You can have it with rice or a dosa or just like that. If you like my recipe, give it a thumbs up. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.